I'm Katelynn.
I'm Monique.
And we're South Africans reacting to Kpop.
Yay!
This is 4MINUTE, Cold Rain, and it's been just newly released. So this is our newly released, newest video we've watched since we started the channel.
Can I just say something before we continue? In the previous video, I don't know if you've watched that one or what order it will be put up on the internet, but I repeated her sentences, and when she ended with Kpop, I think she kind of glared at me like, you better not do that again.
I actually didn't do it, so it's fine.
That's what it looked like. We're like,
okay. Let's continue with 4MINUTE, Cold Rain. I'm giving you the cold shoulder. Okay?
Please don't give me the cold shoulder.
Okay. We're continuing. One, two, and it's actually a sad song, so it's 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
No, I'm not even doing that.
We have Sorry.
You did see Hanging Alright? Okay. They've really grown.
Well, I wouldn't know.
No. Someone said, why are you saying, you haven't seen their other videos? But I think they've realized they can't do what they used to.
I think it has to evolve.
Yeah.
You can't just stay the same.
But I also think it fits in with winter because it was released the 23rd, so
yes, winter there.
Yeah. Well, end of winter or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's still winter.
Yes. Sorry.
I only know Hyunna's name and Jiyoung's something. Go Hyunna.
I want to struck.
She's rapping.
Struck. I want to struck.
She's rapping.
No. I want to sing. I want to struck with her.
It's actually a very sad song, but whatever. We wouldn't know, would we? We don't understand Korean.
For all we know, they could be saying like, we want to party so bad.
I'm depressed because of it. I don't get out much. No, I've actually seen the lyrics.
There are
It's quite sad.
cupcakes waiting at home for me.
It's a sad song. It's so sad. No, I'm over it now. She's so pretty. All of them are. She reminds me of like someone that could be a detective in some story.
Yes, I was thinking that too actually. Our minds are linked. I just grabbed you and I went.
Look at the camera suspiciously.
They're never gonna watch us again. Everyone just went close to the laptop.
Come to the K-pop side. We have sexy men.
Yes.
It's okay. I wanted actually to go for a hand.
Deep piano.
Wait, you're shaking the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well,
Earthquake!
yeah, like last time, or when they were cold.
Okay. So, what did you think?
I really like that one. I like the rapping. That was nice. I'm going to give it an 8.5. Yeah, the rapping did the most part of those points because I really like the rapping.
That's why I silenced you. That's why I shushed you. Because it was Yuna, and Yuna is bae.
And yes, it's really good. I like the music video. Obviously, I don't understand the words, so I can't really relate to that much.
One day you and I'll have to go through all the English lyrics of every song. Or maybe we should go to a certain place that they reload the song with English subtitles.
Oh, yes.
Or sometimes the entertainment industries put subtitles on. I just download it directly so that
Yes.
I don't have to do it later. Okay, so
yes.
yeah. And anything more to say?
Not much.
My stomach is
I
grumpy.
really like that fur coat. So I want such a soft fur coat.
Kopira. Anyway, or in our case, DBFear. What do you call it?
I don't know. I don't know
What's
what
the
you're talking
English?
about.
DBFear? Diere
Oh,
mishandeling.
SPCA?
Yes, SPCA.
I don't
South
think
African.
anyone, yes, because that's a South African.
Yeah, it is SPCA, but I have no idea. South African Pet Care Association. I have no clue.
That's probably I would love when you get that right. Actually, if you got that right.
Okay, but
Yes, check you later, man. Check you later.
oh, what I wanted to add about the music video is, although it was very somber and things, they really did look good. I have to say, seeing them being bubbly and poppy, and not too long ago, I think they released last year. Not What's Your Name or not What's Popping, What You Doing. And to see that versus this, I'm like, oh my gosh, like definitely grown up now. So yeah, I enjoyed it. So I probably would give it a 9 because I just know how they are usually, and I'm impressed with this transition. So okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.